In our regular effort to bring you a report card of how satisfied or disgruntled buyers are with their developer, we are today looking at Gurgaon-based Ambience Group. Residents of Ambience Lagoon complex and this builder are locked in a fierce clash over the use of common areas and over who takes control of maintenance. But what do our laws say about this? Onitam Ojha reports.
Standoff between the residents of Ambience Lagoon Apartments, a posh residency of Gurgaon, and its developer Ambience Private Limited is getting uglier by the day. The bone of contention is about the control over security and maintenance of the apartment complex. By law, the developer has to hand over the security and maintenance to the Registered Resident Welfare Association within 5 years of receiving the occupation certificate. In this case, the occupation certificate was granted in 2002. But here is the twist in the tale. The developer says he will transfer the maintenance to Lagoon Residential Apartment Complex Association, the registered RWA, whereas the residents want it to be transferred to Ambience Lagoon Apartment Residents Welfare Association.
2003, our society was set up, the Residents Welfare Association. The builder who'd set up in the meantime, when he takes over, he sets up the maintenance and runs it for some time, and then he has to hand over the maintenance to the association that has been formed by the residents. What he did was that, as against 2003 when we were set up, in 2009 he sets up his own association made up totally of his family members, which has his wife in it, it has his brother-in-law, it has his brother.
We requested the resident directly that please form an association in compliance with the bylaws, and certain residents come forward, they form an association. Certainly it is a fact that some of our close relations who were owning the flat over there, it is not that way that they were also owning the flats over there, and they were party to that association was formed, and then we filed deed of declarations with the department. Because of their reluctance and their delaying tactics, we were not able to file the deed of declaration in time.
This document of the Town and Country Planning, which was circulated in the year 1998, which says the association is to be formed by the apartment owners and not by the colonizers. So this is a document by the Town and Country Planning Department, which was circulated over the subject of implementation of Apartment Ownership Act 1983.
The discontent of the residents go beyond the transfer of security and maintenance issues of this upmarket residential complex. The residents allege that the developer has cheated them by trying to divert the 18.98 acres of land for the group housing complex to build commercial establishments.
18.98 acres का total land है हमारा, जो उसको license मिला था, called Lagoon Apartments Group Housing Society. 18.98 में से उसने about 7 to 8 acres हटा दिया, de-license कर दिया. But de-license का कोई word नहीं है act के अंदर. There is nothing called de-licensing of a land. De-license करके उसने re-license करवा दिया और mall बना दिया.
Allegations of land being taken over is 100% wrong. In the very applications which we invited from them, and the apartment buyer agreement which has been signed and which was given to them, they are party to that. It has been clearly mentioned that Lagoon will be on 10.98 acre. Lagoon colony itself, apartment complex, will be on 10.98 acre.
Whenever a license is granted, one has to give 0.5% of the commercial. So every group housing, that is as per the license conditions. They have to give 0.5% commercial, but that 0.5% commercial is for convenient shopping, not for any commercial use.
This is one case that seemed to have much more than meets the eye. This is not a simple case with clear shades of black and white. With court cases going on, both parties seem to be in for a long-drawn battle. In Gurgaon, Onitam Ojha, NDTV.